System files corrupted by the Nitro PDF Preview DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. To begin our Nitro PDF Preview troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Nitro PDF Preview, the Nitro PDF Shell Preview handler. It manages the unmanaged rendering of PDF thumbnails and previews within Windows Explorer. It facilitates the visual data link for document manifests. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool, run sfc/scannow in an administrator CMD to ensure Nitro PDF Preview DLL is restored to its original verified state. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Nitro PDF Preview file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in Step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. If you're attempting to install Nitro PDF Preview DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for Nitro PDF Preview. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Nitro PDF Preview. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.